Hey everybody, got this GSI brand 2-in-1 rechargeable hand warmer and power bank. Picked this up at Walmart. Curious to see how good or bad it works. All right, here's everything it comes with. It comes with a USB charger, a lanyard, and some directions. There's some of the specs on it. Okay, it says it can be used at low ambient temperatures to warm the hands, feet, belly, waist, and other areas. And it can be used as a mobile power bank. A couple things real quick here. This here is the heat indicator. So this is when you adjust your heat. This will light up. 1's the lowest heat, 3's the highest. And then down here is the USB port. And then there's the charger. And then there's the lanyard hole right there. So to turn this thing on, hold the power, press the power button. So turn that on. You can see the lights are coming on. So after the blue lights are displayed, it says you've activated the charging function. So for heating, hold the power button here for 3 seconds to activate and display red lights. So let's try that. So 1, 2, 3. There's our red lights for heating. And now if you want to adjust the heat on it, you tap the power button. Oh, I can already feel this thing getting warm. Oh yeah, that's nice. So it's kind of warming up from the top here, up by the GSI logo. A little cooler at the bottom yet. And then, so I'm gonna leave it on hot. It's warming up pretty good right now. That's nice. Now to adjust the heat, you just tap this power button. So if you wanted to adjust the heat lower to a lower setting, just hit that power button and there's the lowest. So for charging this thing up, plug that right into there. To use it as a mobile power bank, we're going to use this. I'll show you how that. Okay, I've got the iPhone charger here. Plug this into the iPhone and this into the power bank. Okay, when I plugged this thing in, it was at 58%. So this thing isn't setting any records as far as being a charger. It's kind of a slower charger. That's okay, it still works. So it's 59% right now. I think when I started it was 57 or 58. After about five minutes or so, just under 5 minutes. So it does work, just charges a little slow. And you might ask, well, can it be a hand warmer and a charger at the same time? As soon as I flipped it to charging mode and plugged in the USB, the heat turned off, so it could not be used for both at the same time. Even if you hold the button down there, it still knows it's charging. So it's a one function at a time device. Let's check out the heat function again. Okay, one nice thing, it does heat up really quickly. It doesn't really get as hot as maybe you would want, but it's definitely warm. So it gets up to temp really quick, but it kind of tops out at a certain temp. And I understand why you don't want this thing getting too hot and burning somebody, but if you hold your hands on that, your fingertips, maybe put it in both hands, definitely keep your hands warm if you have this in your pocket. All right, you guys, that's about it for this thing. Thanks for watching.